What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Chrissy. You already know what it is. So, before we get started, make sure you guys hit that notification bell. Excuse me. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a big fat thumbs up. We are going to be dropping a whole bunch of videos for the rest of 2019 throughout 2020. So, yeah. So, make sure I do that. So, as you guys know by the title, today me and my auntie, Chef Candice, well, that's what I further call her, say hey.
Hey.
We're cooking. So right now we're doing cheesy potatoes. There, she just added the milk, but they looked so bomb. Then we're doing green beans. They're in this, but it's fog right now. We put it in the next round for like opening it. And then we got some chicken. We got more in here cooking. Yeah, so and then the last thing is dessert. And you guys know what we have for dessert? Da 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 da. Rice Krispie treats. And actually I just took this pan out for I could put the marshmallows in. So we got all the stuff right here. Some is in that bag stuff, and you got some mini marshmallows, and then of course the cereal, and of course the butter, but we don't got butter, so we're using grease. Okay, so I'm about to get the cereal. I got a cereal, and then I have some marshmallow cream. I don't know where that is. Hopefully my cousins and my uncle and them eat it, but it's right there. I'm about to get it. Okay, I got this. I might not use it because I got it for myself. I might use it, but I don't really need to use it because I got a whole bunch of marshmallows. Well, over a lot of marshmallows. I got a whole bunch of marshmallows, over a lot of them. So I might not need to use it. I don't know. So, love it. Okay, so I'm about to start doing the marshmallows. So first, I'm going to get your pan. It's already clean, but you just want to rinse it out double, just to rinse it out. So then I'm going to start my stove. So I'm going to put you guys over here while I cook, well, not cook, but bake these Rice Krispies. So I'm going to put you guys right there, or no, over there, because y'all can see me from there. I'm about to put y'all, so we making a good dinner tonight. My mom's upstairs, so y'all put this. Yeah, you want to move that over? No, just keep it there.
I'm not moving that over.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm going to cook right here. Y'all can see me kind of cooking. Well, the chicken is... Okay, y'all can just... So, I'm going to put some grease in the grease. I'll let you do that. Chef, well, should I say Chef Candice? I'll put a little bit of this, I guess. I don't know the selfish. I'll put a little bit of this. But huh? Oh, we're using that pot? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna use the bigger pot. So y'all, so we just cooking. Well, here goes some of the I'll show y'all. See, I think that time has come out because the water is getting it. Never mind.
It's steam. It's not water.
Oh, okay.
It's water from the steam. It's okay. Watch out.
Okay, so we're gonna do that. I'll put the grease. I don't want to put too much. So yeah, yep. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing
too much oil.
That's good. Yeah, make sure you guys don't put in too much oil because you don't have butter. If you have butter, then you could put like a little bit of butter. But make sure you guys don't put in too much oil because it will be so bad. Like it'll be bad. So now I'm gonna let that go cook. Now I'm gonna pour these marshmallows in. How you just go ahead and do it now? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pour the marshmallows in now. So I want this y'all to be able to see me with that big old pot.
No, not yet.
Oh. That's what I said. I was gonna let it cook.
Okay.
Y'all can see me. I'll show y'all in a minute. Yeah, so Oh, so I was gonna tell y'all. For this video, I want you guys to spam the comments with a lot of questions because me and my auntie, we might, or I really want to, we might do a seafood mukbang. And we will try to really spam the comments so we can have a lot of questions to answer because we don't feel like doing it on Google because, Siri, whatever, Safari, whatever. We don't feel like doing it on that because then you'll have to you look at the question, it'll be hard, and look to find out, waste our time. So,
let me let this get hot first.
okay. So, yeah, so
put that back, Chrissy.
Okay.
Put it back over.
So,
let me get one of
yeah,
those
so
marshmallows.
please do that.
Okay, see you. Okay, go.
I can pour? Yeah.
Go ahead,
Pour the whole bag or no?
No, it's not.
Yeah, I'm pouring the marshmallow.
Oh, yeah.
It should be enough. Hold on.
Put it on.
No, that's good.
No, it's enough.
I'm gonna put some back.
Watch out.
I'm gonna put some back too.
What you doing?
Pour it up.
We'll just open it all up.
Yeah, so I'm putting this. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Just let me pour it.
Okay, let's try this chicken.
Come on. Yo, we wash our hands before we clip, so we don't want to see y'all say. So I'm about to open this and put some of that in here.
Chrissy needs to give you some more of that oil.
Oil?
Yeah.
I know I put. Too
I
much.
don't think this gonna work. I think we need better. We have this oil.
Covered in my oil, y'all. Got covered in my hand.
Chrissy, get rinse off and clean that wooden spoon. No, I don't think it's gonna work. It's fine. You need to wash it. Chrissy,
Huh?
you need the wooden spoon. You don't want the spoon is too big. I'm gonna have to try to catch all of this and do the Rice Krispie treat before I get careful. Wash it off when you get there. Yeah, because it's melting, but it's leaking. It's not supposed to be leaking. Wash it off really good.
Yes.
No potatoes or cheesy potatoes.
Here.
It's early. It's burning.
So I'm gonna pour some of this in there.
Chrissy,
Huh?
see, can we put this in there?
How much is it?
No, not right now, because I don't know if this is going to work or not.
So y'all gonna go pour that. You don't know if it's gonna work.
Hurry up. Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
So I put it in the streamers. Pour it. Come on. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Need some more marshmallows.
Okay, I got a little bit of these and put some in my cream.
Come on. Hurry up. The pot's hot.
I know.
And that's just good. It's hot.
Need some more?
Yeah. You know, need you add more cereal. Harder. Hold on, wait. Okay. Yeah, I had to see. Hopefully you don't cheat me. No, that's okay. We don't need the word. That's when we make sure we got water. Alright. Yeah, I got no, it's okay.
Wax paper. You want to see wax paper?
Or foil. It's okay.
We got foil. I think we got foil. Yeah.
No, it's okay. Bad.
It should be in that drawer.
It's okay.
Yeah, you're in foil. Come on, this is good. See how it reacts.
Turn off the tape.
Here's my Rice Krispies.
Gonna add, give me some cereal. Wait, what are we doing? No.
You want to play with the refrigerator?
Yeah, it has to be one of those.
So yeah, so in some of this with this here. Cause I'm not Let me stop.
Give me the cereal squeeze.
No. You
You
want to wash up here?
What? No. I said in my head.
I just the best of this here. You need the best? I was over there eating it right here. I am sick, y'all. I'm about to wait for it. I'm not even.
Watch out, Chrissy. I gotta check my rotation. Watch out, Chrissy. You gotta move out the way. Okay.
Oh, that is better.
Okay, I think they're done.
Yeah.
I gotta let them set.
So I'm gonna show y'all what the Rice Krispies is like right now. After she did that.
Hold on. Check my cheese. Okay, they still cooking.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this up and put this back in
You
the
watch
pan.
that big bowl already out?
What's big bowl?
That clear bowl.
You want to wash it?
No, leave it over here.
This?
No, the big bowl, clear bowl.
Oh, okay.
What? No. Here, I just took it's hot. See, it's hot. Potato sauce, unless they're going to be okay.
Okay. This tastes good. I'm about to show y'all that
Rice Krispies.
Oh, let me show you.
Oh yeah, Chrissy.
This is the baby.